Video content hack. Today, I want to talk about a video content hack because, as you know, video content is getting a lot more important when it comes to online platforms. Recently, Instagram announced that they are going to prioritize video content because now they are competing with TikTok and YouTube and those type of video content platforms. That's why I wanted to talk to you about this content hack. Hey, I'm Karma Hunter. I'm the owner of KarmaDNA.com. I help coaches, freelancers, online entrepreneurs just like you get clients consistently without social media burnout so that you can scale with evergreen systems and strategies. I post weekly content about online marketing, coaching, and entrepreneurship. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to receive the latest updates on my videos. Don't forget to check out the free trainings under the description of my videos. So this video content hack is something that I've been doing on my blogs and my clients' blogs because video content is important even when it comes to SEO and even when it comes to ranking your content in the search engines. How so? When you embed a video in your blog, because the links and downloads, links to YouTube videos, things like that are actually helping with indexing, which helps you rank higher and which helps you get more visible with your blog content. So, give you some bonus tips. One, if you are making YouTube videos, make sure to turn them into a blog. Backlink that YouTube video to your blog. Also, embed the video that I'm going to show you how to create in your blog. If you don't like to be in front of the camera, and if you want to create content for IGTV or Facebook while giving value, and you want content that is video content, this is a good hack for you. So I'm going to start by sharing my screen. This is how you can start. Go to Lumen5.com and create a free account. You don't need a paid account to do this, but I'll show you what happens. I'm going to say a new video. When it gives me these templates, I'm going to look through and find the most suitable for my content and of course for my branding as well. Let's see what the blog is about. This blog is about the sales funnel. So it is gonna be educational, how to, let's see which one could be fresh. I'm gonna go with this one. So let's say I am creating this for YouTube. I like the YouTube size because that's the size that I like to put in my blogs when I embed them. But if you're making it for IGTV, then you can select one of the other upright options. So now here, what we're going to do is where it says paste a URL to your blog article, we're going to copy and paste this in here. And then we're going to say import. It's going to import our article, the whole content, you see, right? Then we're going to say convert to video. Let it do its thing. Once it converts your blog into video, hit preview so that you can watch it. Because of Zoom right now, it's a little bit choppy because I'm on Zoom at the same time. But you get the idea. It's creating a video presentation for you. So what you also can do is, I don't know if I optimized the sound here for Zoom screen share. I don't think so. But it puts a background music here. What you can do is when you go here, record your own voiceover. So you can actually record your own presentation. And you can change the pictures. If you want to swap design, you can change the pictures and such. If you don't have a blog, what you can do is you can either copy and paste your content here. Okay, so I don't have a blog, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to my Instagram and find one of my find one of my Instagram posts that I want to turn into a video presentation. And I am going to and go back to Lumen5 and paste this, whatever you copy, basically, paste it here. And when you paste it, you're gonna click on convert to video. It's basically gonna create a video presentation of the captions of your post. This applies to anything. Any text you put here, it can turn it into a video presentation. It's going to have a background music here, but you can always record your voice over it. But like I said, if it's not relevant to if the pictures are not relevant to what you are talking about in there, you can always swap design, or you can shuffle colors, and you can look in the more options. But this is an easy way to create some video content for your social media or for your blog posts. Let me know if you have any questions about this, and I'll see you next time.